hiking. The road connected to a trail that
Bandit.
led deeper inside the forest.
I need to
Before the
interview
crash.
you.
But as soon as they hit the trail, their communication
something?
equipment started to malfunction.
Of course
It
you
was
did.
like a jammer or something
Who's in
interfering with
trouble?
the frequencies. The radio still worked, but only over very short distances. Anything farther than a few feet was nothing but static.
See, I
And
told
in
you
the
he's giving
distance, they
information
could
to
hear
your friend.
farm animals going crazy. All around them, wild animals sounded
Ya
like
te
they were screaming.
platicaron.
Screaming like humans.
Mm-hmm. So he's giving me information about what happened. Did you see that?
And they admitted this terrified them. In all the
What
time they
else?
lived in and around
Keep
Twin
talking,
Bases, they
baby.
never heard anything like this. They kept walking for a few minutes
What else,
before
baby?
they
Who
came
else
upon
in
a small
trouble?
clearing.
Okay, so you
And
don't
as soon
even.
as
I
they
heard her
stepped out
slamming
of the
the door
trees,
over
an
there.
explosion of light
Everybody
hit
was
them.
quiet
The
till you got
light
to the
was blinding. Even though it was
and
the
then
middle of
next
the
thing I
night,
know,
the area was lit up
there's all
like the
this
day. They
barking
shielded
and
their eyes
slamming
and finally
doors.
saw the source of the light.
And
It was coming
it was
from
weird.
Kraft.
But the older woman was involved as well. Mm-hmm. What?
The
What else, baby?
triangular-shaped
Keep
craft
talking.
made no sound. And when the men took a step toward it, the animals stopped screaming.
You tell me, Clarice, have the lambs stopped screaming?
What?
You want me to tell the story or not?
Sorry, I couldn't help it. Go on.
The feeling of electricity was now
Mm-hmm.
everywhere.
Keep going, baby.
Peniston said he could feel it on his skin.
He rubs the lotion on its skin, or else it gets the hose again.
What else, baby?
When Peniston got closer,
No!
hieroglyphics engraved on the side. He ran his hand along the exterior of the craft. The metal was smooth and warm to the
Yeah, help
touch.
him up
The
there.
symbols, whatever they were, felt like sandpaper. As
I didn't think he was
Peniston
gonna do.
drew
He
his
never
hand
did that.
away,
He's
everything
nervous
went
about what happened.
white. It took a second for his vision
He's
to
very
return.
nervous about.
And when it did, he
You
grabbed his
okay?
notebook
He's
and wrote
nervous
down
about
as
what
many
happened.
details
He's
as possible,
distraught right
including
now.
diagrams.
Okay.
After a few minutes, the craft
Okay.
slowly started to lift
You're
into
worried?
the sky,
Okay.
still silent. It took 2 or 3